Okay, now we're going to start the TrueProp virtual plugin, and we're going to bring in that STL file that we just oriented. The first step is going to be selecting that file, bringing it in. There'll be some messages about reducing the file size to speed things up. We'll hit no for now. And then it's going to ask us to describe our mesh. Is it a full propeller or just the pressure face? So we'll describe it as a full propeller. And then it's going to ask us how to separate the face and the back. We'll use the blade outline in this case. The next question is about whether we want to inspect just the face or if we want to inspect the face and the back. That would enable extracting maximum thickness out of the file. And after that, the file is going to load into TrueProp's memory and be processed into kind of the internal data. This takes a little bit of time. Probably the longest step here is actually importing in this STL file. So it's about 150 megabytes here. So it's a lot of small triangles. As soon as it's done importing, the file is going to render on the screen. There it is. So now we can see this propeller model. And you can see that the keyway is aligned in the vertical axis there, just like we want for blade 1. And blade 1 is up there on the right. The diameter of the prop is automatically detected. We can override that in this case here, trim it down or boot it, increase it a little bit to get to the nominal diameter. Then we set up the positions that we would classically inspect on a machine. You'll see the green cylinder show up. That's giving you a preview of where we're going to basically etch lines into the surface of this blade. These are the same types of inspection points that would be taken with a digital pitchometer. So typically you'd be tracing that blade from the trailing edge to the leading edge and recording data with the machine. But here we can get all that same data out of the 3D scan. So we save the results here of this, and that's going to enable us to basically transition from the virtual plugin to TrueProp.